Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the RGB lighting on Steelseries Apex Pro Mini, which is a really common issue that most people don't know about. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply reset the RGB setting of the actual keyboard, and to do that is going to be really simple. So what you want to do is to actually press the Steelseries button. So you want to press it, and then at the same time you want to press the V button. So you want to hold these two buttons at the same time for around 3 seconds, and you will notice that your lighting right here will then reset and it will revert back to normal. This is a really common thing that most users report, and you can also navigate through the Steelseries application, customize your RGB lighting, and from there you're essentially good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.